All right, Miss Weldon,
Yes.
you are suing Mr. Lacey III
Yes.
for stealing $4,000 from you.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Lacey III, your position is that Miss Weldon gave you this money.
Yes, Your Honor.
What's your relationship to Miss Weldon?
I met her in the summer of 2007.
Okay.
We started off like a high school thing, you know, eating ice cream in front of her house and just
How
doing
old
high
are
school
you?
things. I'm 29.
And how old is she?
She's 42.
Okay.
So that's how I went about the high school thing.
Okay, so you started a romantic relationship with this 29-year-old?
We had things in common, you know.
Like what?
Music. He writes music and I'm, you know, in concert production.
Did there come a point in time when you started living together?
Yes.
How long after you met him did you start living with him?
I'd say probably 2 months. It wasn't an official moving in, it was just that he never left. You know.
Did you ask him to leave?
No.
Okay. Did you have any financial obligations when you were living with her?
No, I didn't feel I had any financial obligations at all. Because
What did
I
you
felt
think your obligations were?
I provided great sex, and she provided the well-being of where we was at, you know, and that's what it was. It was more of the fun.
You were like a boy toy.
That's what it was. You could call me her boy toy. Yeah.
So is that how you understood it too?
No, I felt we were in a pretty equal grown-up relationship.
What was equal about it?
A grown-up relationship.
You said equal.
Not equal financially, you know, although he
What did
did
he
always
do?
promise to help me pay.
But what did he do other than have great sex according to him?
Well, there wasn't nothing wrong with it.
Right.
You know, I'm not suing him for bad sex.
Right.
I'm suing because he stole my money. I was okay with the sugar mama. I knew he wouldn't pay me back most of the time.
Okay.
I'm not suing him for that.
Did he ever pay you back?
Never.
So now how is it that you think he stole $4,000 from you?
Well, I got a phone call on January 23rd this year asking me if I had withdrawn money out of my account the previous night, or at 1 o'clock that morning. I said, no, I'm out of town at work.
Is this your bank?
This is my bank.
Was this some sort of ATM withdrawal?
ATM withdrawal.
Okay, did he have access to your ATM card? Look at me.
Only
Look
putting
at me.
his hands in my purse and taking it and then returning it before I woke up, or however he did. I'm not sure how. He convinced me of taking my retirement money out to relieve my stress of my own bills.
How much money did you take out?
I took out $7,000 2 times.
$14,000.
Yes.
You suggested that she withdraw some money from her retirement account?
Yes, like she said.
Your position is that you were using her ATM with her permission.
Yes.
How much money did you withdraw out of her bank account with her permission?
You know, I don't have a.
It's at least $4,000.
At least.
Yes. She was knowing what I was doing because she would give me the
No.
ATM and the PIN number and things like that.
Listen to what I'm hearing from you. I feel sorry for you because I really do feel your pain. I do feel it. But you made a lot of bad choices. So you say on January 23rd, you find out he's taking money out of your account, right?
I find out there's fraudulent activity in my bank account.
So you confront him January 23rd.
Not right away.
Why didn't you confront him?
Because I wanted to work with the bank to get some kind of proof because he lies about so many things. I wanted some type of proof before I confronted him.
Okay, when did you eventually confront him about this money?
So after I changed my, you know, PIN and all that so he doesn't have access, I start getting non-sufficient funds notices for checks written that I haven't even gotten to in my checks yet.
Do you have proof of that?
Yes, ma'am.
Are these withdrawals like here, $201, $201.50? Those are what? Withdrawals you didn't make?
Right.
This is about $2,000 worth of withdrawals that you didn't know somebody was making from your account?
Yes, ma'am.
How could he have gotten your ATM
He could have been at the liquor store with me and looked over my shoulder. I don't know how he got it.
Sounds like there's another problem you have. What you doing at the liquor store?
Well, that's...
Okay, that's another problem. You like to
Okay.
drink.
Yes?
Yes, that's another thing. If you cared that much about your money, that money you put in that bank, you would have been watching that account and not have waited almost 5 weeks, and you didn't even find it yourself. The bank had to call you and tell you.
I work out of town and stuff too. I'm busy.
You know, all you
and
all
I'm
you
broke
have
and
are
I'm a fool.
excuses. All you have are excuses. That's it. That's all you have. And you don't have enough proof. The case is dismissed. Good luck to you.